We are on our way to the beach and hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today I'm going to the beach with my friend Sarah and her dog Obi, which is Jack's best friend, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So we are on our way to the beach and Jack decided to take a crap in my friend's car. But we got it all cleaned up and now we're on our way to the beach. We made it to the beach, guys. It's not, oh, I don't think you can see that, but it's not sunny, but it's still nice out because it's Hawaii, obviously. And on our way, so like walking down here to the beach, there's kind of a crime scene. We're not really sure what it is, but it was taped off, a bunch of firefighters and, you know, cops. There was something wrapped up. So I'm just gonna leave it there and not get too detailed, but we think we know what it was, which is kind of creepy. But anyways, we made it to the beach. Jack! Good boy! Get it all. In Hawaii, if you can even hear me, it's warm. Like, it's kind of chilly at first, but it's warm. Hi, buddy. And I have the dogs all around me. Hi, buddy. Water here is pretty nice and warm. It feels amazing, and I just hope I don't drop my camera in the water. Hi, buddy. Look at my little swimmer. Oh, he got me all wet. Are you being a loner, buddy? Are you being a loner? Come on. Come on. Dogs have fun. I love these beach houses. Oh yeah, definitely. So that's my friend Sarah, by the way. She's not gonna talk to the vlog, but that's her. You can put a face to the, or a name to the face or whatever. I think we have some pooped puppies. Are you tired, Obi? His face. Are you tired, Jack? Oh, kisses. So I'm back home now. I took a shower, rinsed off. I'm ready for work in a couple hours. I need to give Jack a bath because he is, you know, sandy, smells like salt water and everything. But I wanted to show you real quick. He's sleeping outside. Let's see if I can get him. He's so tired, but I'm gonna get him all clean now. We got ourselves some clean puppies. Look at Jack. Are you all clean now? He's all clean, all dry. Well, I think he's finishing drying himself. But yeah, he's all clean. Now I can relax, get some food to eat. Does anyone else's dog like to do this? Like, you dry them off, you clean them, and then they just rub themselves on everything. So I just took a nap, which feels so good. So I just woke up from my nap and I am getting ready to leave for work right now. I gotta run by because today we're eating out, so I need to run by and grab something to take to work so I can have some dinner. And then I'm working late tonight, so I guess I don't know, I'll see if I'll take you guys with me, so you can see what I'm gonna have for dinner. Also, he's getting ready for work. It's the first time you've been seen in the vlog today. Picked up Wendy's. I got a strawberry lemonade and an apple pecan salad, and I think I'm gonna eat it before I go into work because I came early because normally there's traffic coming to work, and there wasn't traffic today. I don't know if it's just because it's Saturday and I forgot or whatever, so I'm early. I'm gonna eat my food in the car and then I gotta go to work. Time to go to work. So I am done with work. I came back to the house because I had to give him some stuff, and work is work, and now we're just chilling, and I'm gonna end the vlog. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and see you guys later. Bye.